GroHomeManager-X is an intelligent monitoring hub at the heart of the home energy management system. Based on a device, gateway, server, client architecture, it integrates metering capabilities and connects to the Internet of Things via router, Wi-Fi, or LAN. It communicates with devices such as PV inverters, energy storage systems, EV chargers, smart loads, and intelligent switches through RF wireless or RS485 wired protocols. This enables comprehensive functions including real-time monitoring, data analysis, system scheduling, and intelligent energy management for photovoltaic power systems. The RS485 wired communication scenario supports monitoring up to 6 EV inverters or 3 energy storage systems. Please note that GroBoost X and EV charger only support RF communication. Press the button once to activate Bluetooth mode. The indicator light will remain steadily yellow. Pull to refresh the page. A solid green dot indicates a successful connection, and you can also check. Press the button once to exit Bluetooth mode. The indicator light on GroHome is flashing blue slowly, indicating that the system is operating normally.